Hello, sewing and non-sewing friends. Shawnee's here out at camp, as you can see, with the grass and the wood and the table. Wanted to talk about this event that I have coming up. It's next month at the Child Eye Rec Center. It's a 4-week workshop, and in the workshop, not only are you going to learn how to operate your machine, but we are going to start out with a bowl cozy. Very minimal. Ooh, here's a small one. This is a larger one. Fits your bowl in there. Take the bowl out the microwave, put it in your bowl cozy, and your hands are nice and protected. We'll also be making next level up from that is a pillowcase. The pillowcase project is going to show you how to enclose different seams. So it's just not about making a pillowcase, it's about learning different sewing techniques that you can use in bigger projects. And then the more complex, but I think doable project is a simple tote bag. So here's one tote bag. The tote bag can be made at any size that you desire. So if you have a specific size, you will tell me what that size is, and I will tell you what size your fabric should be cut. So this is a first responders bag here. And obviously I love polka dots because I made these on 2 different days, and I put the polka dots at the top of both bags. A more complex bag, and I think is doable, is this one. This one is fully lined. It has 3 pockets in the front. It's called a fold over tote bag. It's fully lined on the inside, and there is a pocket. I almost want to say that this can probably be reversible, but the only problem is that your straps would be on the inside. But it's absolutely gorgeous on the inside. Oh, there you go. So that is the inside. Another difference between the lined and the unlined bag is that the unlined bag is boxed. So it has box corners. So this bag is 4 inches wide, where this bag just comes to a close. So after making this one, you would put in a cardboard or a piece of plastic that would keep the bottom square and stabilized, and there you would have a bag. I'm going to put a link in the comment section, or you can go to the Child Eye Rec Center and register, or you can go over to my Learn to Sew Rochester page, and you can subscribe and follow to stay in the loop to hear about future workshops that I have across Rochester. Thanks for watching.